Okay, so, um,
AI for local businesses, right?
right.
You want the how-to, not just the hype.
Yeah.
And get this, there's an event right here in Hoover
Hmm.
on October 17th at, what's it called?
Xenogram Digital Marketing Agency.
Xenogram, that's right.
Uh,
AI innovations, elevating your business. Something, something.
Elevating your business to the next level.
That's it. Sounds right up our alley, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. It seems like they're onto something. So many businesses I talk to,
Yeah.
they hear AI and they're either overwhelmed
It's
or
just a buzzword.
exactly, just a buzzword, no real substance.
And this event seems to get at that, using AI and data analytics, like
Practically.
practically, for growth, not just in 2024, but beyond.
That's the key, isn't it? Not just keeping up,
Getting ahead.
getting ahead. Exactly. It's so easy to get caught up in the now.
Oh, absolutely.
This seems like it's about giving businesses a game plan.
I like that, a game plan.
Yeah, for long-term success.
So let's get into it, shall we? The event description mentions some AI tools, some trends.
Mhm.
One that caught my eye was speech recognition.
Ah, yes. That's a big one.
Big one, but how,
And it's something any business can use, doesn't matter how big or small.
okay, because I was thinking,
Like Google Cloud Speech to Text
right.
or Amazon Transcribe. These aren't just for dictation, though.
Yeah.
They're way more powerful than that.
So how do they actually work for, say,
Think about it.
yeah,
You own a bakery.
okay,
You use Google's tool to transcribe every customer call.
every call.
Every one.
Okay.
Now you're not just hearing what they said,
You're analyzing it.
analyzing it. For sentiment, are they happy? Are there complaints?
Wow.
That's insight right there. To improve, to sell more.
It's like a built-in customer feedback system.
Exactly.
And I bet this isn't just for phone calls.
No way. Think sales presentations, team meetings, anything.
Who cares?
Analyzing those conversations for
Right.
keywords, for effectiveness.
So speech recognition is more than just, transcribing.
Way more.
It's about the insights.
It's about using AI to turn raw data into,
Actionable intelligence.
there you go.
Yeah.
That's the power of AI, and this is just one example.
This is already blowing my mind, and we're just getting started.
Right.
Let's talk voice-activated tech. What's the deal with that?
Okay, so think beyond just talking to your phone.
Okay.
This is next level stuff. This is about changing how customers experience your business.
How so?
Imagine your customers on your website placing orders,
Okay.
getting questions answered just with their voice.
Wow, that's like the Jetsons level stuff right there.
Right.
But okay, voice commands on a website, that's got to be.
And that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Events like this,
Yeah.
they connect the dots,
Right.
They show you how to actually use this stuff.
Because it does sound kind of, I don't know,
Daunting.
little, yeah, especially for a smaller business. Like,
It's getting easier, though.
okay, good to know.
Think about it.
Yeah.
Voice response systems for your customers, or even like,
Oh, for marketing,
exactly, targeted messages,
Yeah.
all voice activated,
it does feel like voice is the next big thing.
for sure.
But let's shift gears a bit. AI and finance.
I always think Wall Street, not my little shop.
A lot of people think that, but
Mhm.
security, that's where it's at for smaller businesses.
Security.
Fraud. You ever deal with that? Chargebacks.
Don't remind me, it cost me a fortune last year.
That's what I'm saying. AI can help
How so? Yeah.
companies like Kount. They use AI to,
Out.
yeah, they analyze all your transactions in real time.
Real time. So like,
Before it even happens, they can flag something fishy.
that would be amazing, no more headaches.
Exactly.
But what about, you mentioned earlier, the algorithmic trading and all that?
Right. So that stuff, platforms like Alpaca, Trade Ideas,
They're more for the big guys, right?
mostly, but the tech behind it,
Yeah.
that can be used on a smaller scale too.
So I don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to, exactly. It's about making smarter choices with your money,
I like the sound of that.
right?
It's like you said before, making these complex systems usable.
Exactly. And on that note, let's talk big data.
Here we go.
Not scary, I promise.
Big data always seemed, I don't know, overwhelming.
I get it, but think about it like this.
Okay.
You have all this information about your customers.
Right. But it's just data.
But with AI, it becomes insight,
Okay, I'm listening.
like IBM Watson or Google Analytics 360.
Those are powerful tools.
They are, but they can be used by anyone. They analyze everything.
So instead of me trying to make sense of a million spreadsheets,
It does that for you.
so it's like predictions, but based on real info.
Exactly. But not just predictions. It's about understanding your customers better.
Give me an example.
Let's say you own that bookstore.
Right.
You always talk about
Right.
AI can tell you what people in Hoover are reading.
No way! So
To stock up on those, market them better.
yeah,
You're using data to...
smarter. I like it.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've covered sales, customer service, even fraud prevention.
Right?
But what about, actual security? Like hackers and data breaches and all that.
Cybersecurity is huge, and AI is a game changer there, too.
Okay, because that stuff keeps me up at night.
I hear you, but there are companies now, like Palo Alto Networks, CrowdStrike, they're using AI to...
To do what?
They act like digital bodyguards for your business.
Hackers.
Well, they protect you.
Okay, I get
They're
it.
constantly analyzing your systems, looking for threats.
So it's not just about reacting after the fact.
No way. It's about being proactive, anticipating the attack.
And these AI bodyguards, can any business use them?
That's the best part. They're for everyone.
That's amazing. So it's like having an AI security guard.
That's the idea. Always on, always watching.
I like it. But, okay, we've thrown a lot of AI stuff at the wall here.
We have.
And I bet some folks listening are thinking, okay, but I own a flower shop.
What's this got to do with me?
Exactly.
And that's where this event comes in.
Okay, how so?
It's not just about explaining AI. It's about...
Showing you how to use it.
Exactly.
So not just concepts, but actual...
strategies, real-world stuff you can take back to your business.
I bet that networking opportunity is huge, too, being around other
Oh, absolutely.
people trying to do the same thing.
That's how you learn, right?
Yeah.
Bouncing ideas, sharing stories.
Exactly. Speaking of which, I saw they want people to bring their laptops.
Oh, yeah, it's hands-on, not just sitting there listening.
So I can actually try out some of these AI tools.
That's the plan. Walk away with knowledge you can apply.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So you're saying this event,
If you're serious about AI, this is the place to be.
it's amazing to see this stuff happening right here in Hoover,
It's not just for Silicon Valley anymore. AI is for everyone.
The future is looking bright. Now, here's a thought for you to chew on.
Cool.
If AI could solve one problem for your business, what would it be?
That's a good one.
Think about it. And until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep diving deep.